Alright everybody, I got a video for you today, pretty special video, good video for me. This Zippo right here is a pretty famous Zippo. It's in a video that's going to be in 1 million views soon. So it's going to be a famous Zippo. It was the Zippo I used in my 3 best Zippo tricks video. It's at like 670,000 views now. So it's going to hit 1 million within a year. And because of the way it's tracking and everything like that, the amount of views it gets every day. I'm not going to get into the statistics or anything, but so what happened in a live stream is it broke. I have a video, Zippo tricks epic fail, where it broke, the hinge broke off. So I took the liberty, instead of sending it to Zippo, I took a 4-barrel hinge off a damaged 41 replica I had. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to be attaching this 41 hinge. You can see it's the 4-barrel. I'm going to be attaching this to this Zippo, and I'm going to have the first Armor Zippo with a 4-barrel hinge here on YouTube, and I'm going to be making that video today. But you can see it's a little bit wider than the slot, so it doesn't actually fit in there. That's what this file's for, you're looking for here. It's the smallest file I have. It's a chainsaw file to take down the rakers. How I'm going to do it is I'm just going to give it 2 passes on each side. That should be enough. The lid is the exact same problem, with the exact same measurement. These things are pretty well thought out at Zippo, you know, so to get that in there, I'm going to have to do the same thing. And then I'm going to glue it together. I'm going to do this all off camera though, because I'm not going to be able to do it properly. This is fine work, and I'm not going to be able to do it properly. I need to hold it close to my face. So I'm going to get going to do that, and then I'm going to show you how it fits, and then I'm going to scratch it all up so there's a nice surface for it to bond to, and then we're going to see how the 4-barrel hinge works, and I'm going to be doing a long test to see how long it's going to last and how it holds up and everything like that. So I'll get back to you and we'll see how it goes. Alright everybody, so after a lot of filing and this and that, I started off with just 2 passes on each side. It needed about 5 with my file. Your file might be different, don't go by that as law. It's just what mine needed. Maybe my file was dull. It fits, looks good. There is some charred stuff on here. I could clean that up. I didn't bother, but I did clean up the rest. So everything is fitting good and straight. So I think I'm going to go ahead. I had to do some tweaking on the hinge. I haven't attached it yet. Everything here is loose fit, but everything does fit. I pre-scratched all the inside. I scratched up all the side that's going to be touching with the JB weld. And I did it to the lid also. So everything is ready to go here. So now we will put this together. I have some things off camera here to use. We are going to mix our 2 agents, same as last time. JB. One is the steel. Okay, this is the hardener. We don't need much. If anyone remembers from last time, we just need a little blob. Just a little blob of each. All we really need. Okay, a little bit of hardener. That should be done. It's about the same thing. I'm going to clean this before I put it away. There we go. Okay, for future use. All right, now we mix. Yeah, you just want a good consistency. You want it all to turn the same color. And you want to do it in an ample amount of time too. Don't want to take your time on this. Okay. And then apply it to the proper side you wanted it on. Okay. So now we put the bottom piece in the bottom piece of the case. Alright, now we got to slide the Zippo insert in. Done deal. Now we want to put it on the back. And it's already starting to harden. So I'll get to it quick. And we will apply. And a little to the top doesn't hurt either. Not much because you don't want it to spill everywhere. Alright, then we attach the lid. Okay. Everything seems to be fitting and sitting. We will see. We're going to come back to in about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to let this wait and harden. I will leave this here to see how this hardens, and we'll know when it's ready. So stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few minutes, and we're going to see how this turned out. Alright everybody, we're back. It's been 15 minutes, so we will just check our solution here. Yeah, completely hard. All stuck in hard. That must mean she is ready. So we're going to see what the first ever 4-barrel hinge armor looks like. Just to verify, this is a armor, says right there. 17. And it has the 4-barrel hinge. I know it's dirty. It's a little charred up and things like that. I can clean it, make it look nice. But this is just going to be an everyday carry for me, so there's not really a point to clean it up. I know it would look better for the video. I'm sorry, guys, but there was really no need. So, oh, damn it. Look at that. Listen. No ping. No ping because of it. It's held on there very well. I went and tightened the hinge before I even welded it on. There's very little play. Things very tight. You can see it's hard to wiggle. It shuts right and everything like that. It fits right. It closes light. There's no bite. It's not off-centered. Well, I guess a little bit it is, but most people's Zippos are, especially with the insert that's in it. I'm sure if I put a Zorro insert, it would be completely straight. So that's pretty impressive. Speaking of putting a Zorro insert in there, I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take the old Scrooge. I'm going to put it in there. Yeah, nice. The lid is very strong. I'm very happy with that. So we're going to do a test, and we're going to see how long JB Weld actually holds. This is going to be my everyday carry. It was for years. I'm excited to have it back. I'm excited to have it with a 4-barrel hinge. And we're going to see how long the JB Weld holds on an everyday carry. And after that, I'm going to try and solder it on and see which one's better. If soldering it on is better or if JB Weld on is better. We're going to find out. And that's pretty much why I made this video too. I wanted a Zippo that I was going to everyday carry with a JB Weld and then switch over after. So everyone take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. I hope you found this useful and fun. Let me know what you thought down in the comments, and I'll see you around.